Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be the 10-minute makeup challenge. I haven't done this yet before on my channel, and I don't know if I've ever done my makeup in 10 minutes before. I probably have, but when you're under pressure, I'm a bit nervous today. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I don't know if I'm going to fit everything in, but yeah, I've got a 10-minute timer set up ready. And I'll press start when I'm ready to go, and hopefully I'm not going to do too much. I don't think I'll have time to do eyeshadow, but if I have time at the end, I'll just do a little bit of stuff through the crease, but we shall see. So yeah, let me just pop this on. Should we just press start? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, I dropped my concealer. have 2 minutes, 20 seconds left. I think I may... Do I put some eyeshadow on? Will this ruin the look? I don't know. I think I'll try a little bit. Right, I have 30 seconds to spare, and I think I'm just going to finish it there. I think I did that a lot quicker than I thought I would. I just must be really quick at doing my makeup. So yeah, 10 seconds left. Did I use everything? Yeah, I used everything I meant to use. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. So that was a success. I used everything I intended to use. I even added some extra eyeshadow at the end because I had so much spare time. I didn't realise I could do my makeup that quick. So yeah, that's something new. I enjoyed doing that actually. It was quite intense. I felt like I didn't apply foundation and things like that as best as I possibly could. You know, if I took more time and effort, it'd probably look a bit better. But I think it's pretty decent. My makeup looks fine. Like, I'd go out like this, I look fine. So yeah, that was a success. Fabulous. So yeah, that completes this video. This was my 10-minute makeup challenge, and it was a success, so that's good. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see all my other videos. And I challenge you to have a go at this. Time yourself doing your makeup, see if you can do it in 10 minutes. And let me know in the comments if you achieved it or not. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!